Expanding in algebra is like mixing ingredients. You multiply everything out, removing the brackets. But what if you wanted to reverse that? That's factorizing. It's the art of putting the brackets back in. It's mathematical detective work. You're given a complex formula and must find its original, simpler building blocks. This isn't just a trick, it's a powerful tool for simplifying problems and solving equations. Your first tool is the highest common factor, or HCF. This is the largest piece that divides into every single term. For 6x squared plus 9x, what's the biggest number dividing both 6 and 9? It's 3. The highest power of x they share? Just x. So the HCF is 3x. Pull that outside the bracket, divide the original terms by it, and see what's left inside. Next, hunt for special patterns. The most elegant is the difference of two squares, or dots. The clues are strict. Two terms, a minus sign, and both terms must be perfect squares. For x squared minus 49, the square root of x squared is x, the square root of 49 is 7. The pattern instantly gives you the factors, x minus 7 times x plus 7. If you face four terms with no single common factor, try grouping. Pair the terms and find the HCF for each pair. Often, a common bracket appears, which you can then factor out. Remember the golden rule. Always look for an overall HCF first. Sometimes pulling out a simple number, like the 2 in 2x squared minus 18, reveals a hidden dots pattern inside. Factorizing isn't just about rules. It's about seeing the structure hidden inside the math. And the best part? You can always check your answer. Expand your factors, and if you get the original expression, you've cracked the case.